Pull it out. Keep working at it. Grab it with both hands. Grab it with both hands. Pull, pull, pull. Really, really hard. What is it? What is it? What is it? Ryder, what is it?
I don't know.
What is it? It's huge.
It has a trash can in it.
It does have a trash can. What is it?
I don't know.
Oh, it looks like a big trash truck.
Open it up.
What is it? What is it?
No trash can.
What is it? Stand right over here. Just stand right over here. What is it? Oh.
Where?
What is it?
Open that up.
Okay.
Open that part up.
Okay.
This I can't come up. Oh, it does.
It does.
Yeah.
Let's see what it is.
Yeah.
Oh. Whoa. Let me cut this. Watch out.
Whoa.
What's that?
I don't know. Look at that trash can.
Is there another one?
Here one.
Oh, there's two in here. Whoa.
This is trash. This
Yeah?
This can't open up. It can't. Yeah, it does.
Ryder, whoa. Does this have a, is this a side dumper? Put it in there. Okay, let's see. Put it around like this. Hold on.
It does.
Hold on.
Make some trash.
Okay.
Make some. These are two sections.
Okay, come here. Come here, sit right here.
Okay,
can get it.
make some
There's
trash.
some trash.
Okay, so open these up.
Okay.
Yeah. Now open them up.
Ryder, is this awesome?
Yeah. What is it called?
It's a big trash truck with a side loader.
I'm gonna put these in.
Who do you think got this for you?
I don't know.
Who do you think got it for you?
I don't.
You don't?
I don't.
I think Mimi did.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think Mimi did. Here we go. Okay, see this little hook right here? And see this hook? You gotta put that hook right in there and watch. Then you twist this, and it dumps it! Here's more trash.
And it crunches.
And then it crunches it. Ryder, can you look right over there? Say, thank you, Mimi.
Super Mimi.
Is that awesome?
Can't do it.
Ryder, you need to say, thank you, Mimi and Poppy.
Super Mimi, Poppy.
Ryder, is that awesome? Keep working at it. Good job. Can you get it hooked on there?
Whoa, what's that?
That sounded like a real trash truck. Could you get it hooked on there, Ryder?
No, I just did it.
Good job.
Look, it's so empty.
Yeah, is that awesome?
Now look what she can do.
Yep. Turn that and you can crush it. Ryder, you need to tell Mimi and Poppy thank you.
Thank you, Mimi. The bag can't open.
You need help?
Yeah.
It's kind of hard. You actually got to pull really hard. You got to pull from the bottom. Pull really hard. There you go.
There.
Is the trash in there?
Yeah.
Cool.